Good day, students. This is Mrs. Baxter, and I'm here to teach you another lesson on ancient civilizations. And today we are looking at ancient Mesopotamia. We are going to look at the location of Mesopotamia. We're going to also look at the different cities in Mesopotamia, the achievements of the people who lived in the region, and also discuss a little bit about the terrain of the area that made it ideal for the growth of an ancient civilization. I will also look at the achievements of the people of Mesopotamia. Let's get right into it. Here we have a map of Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia was situated between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. The area was comprised of the northern and southern vicinities. The northern part of Mesopotamia was made up of hills and plains, while the southern part was composed of flat and barren lands. The flooding of the plains led to the building of artificial irrigation systems, and these irrigation systems led to social stratification, meaning that the society was divided into social classes and the formation of different communities. Mesopotamia had a social hierarchy consisting of three social classes: the nobility. Here we have a political organization. Here is the political organization of the Sumerians. The people who lived in the region of Mesopotamia, otherwise known as the land between two rivers, were called Sumerians. At the top of the social hierarchy is the king. He made laws, he headed the army, and he had lots of privileges. The priest belonged to the upper class, and he was considered very important as he was thought to communicate with the gods. The scribes, they were writers. They recorded information. They were very important and considered to be. Here we have an image of early Mesopotamia, what the region might have looked like in the early days. And we're just going to be discussing a bit. How did this region, this land between two rivers, came to develop into a flourishing civilization? The early people of ancient Mesopotamia were known as Sumerians, and the control of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers was key to development in the early days of Mesopotamia. The Sumerian city-states grew out of control for the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and we had discussed in previous lessons the importance of rivers to civilization. Okay guys, you will need to utilize online sources to answer the tasks given below. State 5 achievements of the people of Mesopotamia. Name 2 rulers of ancient Mesopotamia. You can utilize any search engine of your choice. Make sure you check your source to ensure that the information is from a reliable source. For your in-class activity at this time, please turn to exercises 5 and 6 in your workbook Exploring History, Workbook 2 on pages 18 and 20. We are now down to our homework session. We have come to the end of our lesson, and your homework can be found on pages 21 and 22, exercises 7 and 8 in Exploring History, Workbook 2. Remember, your test is this Friday, and it begins at 2 p.m. Study up!